Alright. You could disable my own. Is that just a chat command? It is. So it should tell me. Oh. You need to enable the commands. Oh, okay, I think I know I can finally do that. So why is this still set to the bot? Cookie. Oh, I see. So I think it's because technically there is no arg1. Also, it should be wait, arg1. No, it should be inputs. I think it'd be input 0. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Yes, I just typed all that out. I'm going to show my screen as well. Okay, so that's why. All right, so we want to search for input 0. If input 0 is null and or empty, then we tell the user, hey, that cookie's got to go to someone, bitch. So try this again. Oh my god, I tried to turn on the fucking wireless mouse to go and add the fucking other source. Dude, if I could code this, I'd be done already. But I'm making it to where Ferb can read it. Okay, so if input 0 is null and or empty. Well, null or, because it can't really be both. If it's null, it doesn't even exist. If it's empty, then there's nothing there. And if that's true, it's going to send a message saying, user, you need to give the cookie to someone. So why isn't it doing that? We go back to here and put 0, just like that. If I do cookie, it is. Okay, so I just fucking typed it wrong. Now if I do cookie at Galaxy Arcane. See, so the issue is it gets the username, but I need to parse out the @ symbol. That or just tell people don't use the @ symbol. Variable save. So then if I do something like cookie A, B, C, D. All right, so this isn't working. So if username is equal to the value of username. Oh my god. No, if input 0 is equal to the value of the username. See, because it's always triggering, because my username's always going to be equal to my fucking username. Cookie. Gotham Goons. So if I do that, can I get the target user out of this? I don't know if that's how this works. Someone's calling me. It's probably a bot.
Inflation relief package for Oklahoma, which offers extra cash for groceries, gas, and prescriptions. So you do have Medicare Parts A, B, right?
I do.
Perfect. You're eligible for our plan. Let me forward you to the benefits specialist. Please hold.
All right, get ready for this one.
Yeah, hello?
Hello, Pornhub support line. How can I help you today? Yeah, can you guys,
thank you so much for taking this call. This is Chris calling you
Come
with
on,
Medicare
guys.
benefit.
Can y'all
How are you
stop
today?
calling me? Sir?
Alrighty.
Can you take me off of the list y'all got? Okay, that's what I thought. Didn't even work. I thought the Pornhub support line would. I thought that'd get him. Oh, guys, it's official. I am star rank in Scouts. I've ranked up. Yippity. So then we have to figure out how to target a user. I think what we'll do is we'll just set the a non-persistent variable to the user, and if it doesn't work, then the user's fake. They typed it wrong. And that would be a skill issue for whoever typed it. So we're gonna set a global, and we're gonna do user target. Well, if we do user target, I don't know. Where is it getting its targeted user from? I might have to write a tiny C# script for this, because I don't think I can set specifically who this sets to. Um, variable name. Enter the name of the variable. So I think with it being target, I think it's just gonna get the argument for it that has cookie. To true. Oh wait, no. Okay, genius fucking idea. We do it to where you can have multiple cookies. The only issue is setting up multiple cookies. So if they have more than one, let me actually message Verb about that. User to multiple cookies at once. Just one. Two. So I could, like, trying to think before I send that message. How easy would it be? I wonder. Let's see how he currently has this up. Okay, so that would work. Okay, so if I do cookie, then I send it to say I'm gonna send it to Gotham. I wanna make sure I type in his name right. So if I send a cookie to Gotham, payments, target user, input 0. Just to see if it's going on to the user. Let's do this. Gotham Goons. It's not. Don't really need the majority of these fucking open. Oh, okay. There you go. Go ahead and restart Windows. That's fine. And a user global for the user found in the target user argument. Might have to do this with code. Here, okay, let's do this with C#, and then we can try to figure out how to do it without. That way, if I can't get it, without, I can still kind of prototype how it should work with the code. I'm gonna add a shit ton of code comments to make this as readable and easy to understand as possible. Page dot try get arg input 0 string ph dot try get arg user cookie sender target. We're gonna name that target. Named target. Like I said, to make this as readable as I can. So if target get YouTube user. Can I use this to get non-persistent vars? User target has false. If target target has cookie. Target has cookie. Message true. I don't know all the fucking things. Message true. Broadcast ID. User. Target. else fucking kill Gotham. So I sent him the current version of the fucking gas play history video. He said, "Wow, what a ripoff! Such a cliffhanger." He said, "The devil and I wishes to know what happens next." Gotham, you're something special. Indeed. Well, the devil and you aren't gonna know yet. Unless you feel like reading a bunch. That or you can wait. One of the two. That's what I thought. Imagine. I am fixing Papu's cookies. Yep. Though it was just a quick one to test some things. Yeah. And those said things that were tests didn't work, so now I'm fixing it for him. Yeah. She asked me to make everything in sub actions, but I can't quite do everything in sub actions. So I'm writing the most code commented C# code I've ever wrote. Also, W shirt you got there, pal. It's just so cool looking. Is the print like fading off yet or no? Because I'm pretty sure it's that type of print, sadly. Okay. Okay. Oh, well, that could be why. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I'd sue Gotham. It's a protagonist. I'll be inferred from the usage. Try specifying the unit specifically. Like that. Can be used with type arguments. So you're telling me to set it that way. I think you're not. Wait. Not even that fucking line. Fucking oh my god, I'm an idiot. So set has cookie to true. sph.set YouTube user var by ID. That's good. User ID. Cookie sender. Realize set is not camel case. Very disappointed in myself. Cookie sender. False. sph.set send YouTube message. What's up, you? Message. True. Broadcast ID. I do. Alright. We get input 0 as target, user as cookie sender, user ID, broadcast ID. We check as a bool if the target has cookie by getting YouTube user var bool target has cookie false to persisted because it's not persistent. If the user has a cookie, then we tell the sender that user already has a cookie and they don't need any more right now. We use the bot, we fall back to broadcast ID. This is how Papu wanted it. I'm sorry. Also, it'd be a fucking whore and a half to try to get it to do that and track the names properly. It's definitely possible. I'd have to do just an increment counter or dictionaries. But it's a bitch because I don't know how to do those very well. If the user doesn't have a cookie, then we're going to set the YouTube var has cookie true and cookie sender to the cookie sender. And then message cookie sender sent target a cookie. How kind of them. Use bot, fallback, broadcast ID. So that should work. Keyword should. So guys, I'm gonna do this on YouTube because his name is easier to type. Cookie Yeet Noob. Okay, it's setting it to me, not the target user. So we're close here. We're just setting it to the wrong person. Oh, I see. So we need to get the target user ID. That could be an issue. Set YouTube user. Fuck. Set YouTube user var. So then we just do target instead. Try this again, and it should pull up YouTube as an option. Fuck yes. So then eat cookie. So we need to get bulls get from redeemer var name has cookie. Nation check has cookie. Default value. We're gonna leave that default. So if check has cookie equals false, true result. We're going to get another variable. We want it under here. Globals get our name cookie sender. Cookie sender, just with the capital C. Add message channel. Cookie from I do have a cookie. Why was I checking that for fault? Wait. What the fuck? Oh, so has cookie is empty.
I think it was checking for persistent. Nope, it was not. This has cookie, not the variable. Has cookie. Destination variable has cookie. Default value should be left as default. Oh wait, it was set to true this time. So now it's an issue with the action. It's the if statement. So if has cookie is equal to true. Wait, but it is equal to true. Genius idea. Set this to false. Wait, what the fuck? So in C# this would work. Sub actions. I don't fucking know. Or if we lowercase the true. I swear if that works, I'm gonna fucking kill someone. Hmm.
Why is it false? Bitch, I just set that to true. Has cookie is true. The fuck? Oh my god. Me. Fuck me. Now it should be set to false, so I shouldn't have a cookie anymore. Yes. Fuck yes. It works. Ooh, what the fuck is this? Ferb, oh, Jesus Christ, Ferb. Oh my god. Alright. So, cookie works. No, he said he wanted it not in C sharp. That way he could read it. But I'm sorry, Ferb. This makes me want to kill myself. Holy shit. How many if statements is that? That's 17. Jesus fuck. Oh my god. And literally all I have to do is copy paste the code from my cookie command and it would work. String brackets. Yeah, like this is legit going to be a lot easier to read compared to that. String slap items. Send you message. True. Broadcast ID. Broadcast ID. Stream. 1 second. Alright. I'm gonna go over to career modes in a few. This is pretty much already working though, so that is splin fucking difference. Random message. Cool. Slap items. Next dot. So this will just pick a random one. I go pew pew. Have fun. Try get arg. Out string user. String arg. Raw input. String. Yes. We did. You fucking idiot.